Eastern Shore enjoyed a slight rise in homes going under contract than in past weeks, but buyer showings continue to be slower. It's Friday, July 15th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. Mortgage rates dipped slightly, but all are well over 5%, approaching 6% for all mortgage products. Current inventory is definitely up from last year at this time. As the feds tried to stem inflation, home prices continue to rise. There are 1,249 for sale at a median price of $389,900. 117 properties are coming soon, up 24% from last week. 154 came to the market since last week's report, reflecting fewer to the market since last report. 94 properties are temporarily off. 90 properties went under contract, a slight rise. 115 properties went to pending, more this week than last. 133 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in St. Michael's for $2,500,000. Rental inventory fell this week to 42 for lease at $1,875 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, July 15, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your weekend.